Shout out to the cameraman for it, Heath. Yeah, the crispy chicken is quite hard to pick up. You may get a few chips stuck in, so this is how you do it. Just stick it off the fork, or you just... So you just eat it with the chips on it.
I saw a truck.
He wants me to record him into the podcast.
No!
No, it's not that.
Yeah, as you can see, the crispy chicken is quite hard to pick up.
I'm actually going to focus on YouTube. I actually swear.
Yes, this is the bit that was stuck. Pardon me. Pen? No. Nah, you have to eat the chips. They are a bit stingy, like, they don't give you, like for example, chips like this. That better be recorded.
See at the end.
You made me drop a fork. Simpson King.
What? You pulled that in and pulled it out. It's not done. Daniel Pettigrew.
Yo! Just to tell you, Al's back here. He gets caught and there's another one.
This Cheney is so funny. I may give you a runny nose because the furry is quite hot. Nah, it's
I think I got a close up. No.
Now he feels epic. It's gorgeous. That is quite hot, but that's why you get it to the boost. The cameraman is such a legend. Shout out to the cameraman, shout out to Lola. Shout out to Lola and John. First amazing thing. As you can see, I'm almost finished this. And my mate, you do this. Sorry guys, I'm gonna say it. Don't mind them, they're just silly.
Yo.
That's one's for you, Grammy. So guys, peace out, gang.